These are Mulchi varieties of the Jaboticaba. Right here I have just the standard regular Mulchi. The species name is Plinia inflata. The there's another one, same species, but this one's a giant Mulchi. And this plant is actually quite a bit younger than this one, but it seems to be holding true to its name. It's had bigger seeds, and also it just seems to be faster growing and larger in stature. And this one is also referred to as a mulchi, even though it's a different species. It's called a Plinia Salticola, and commonly referred to as a dwarf mulchi. And I've got 3 of them potted up here. I've got another one that is still kind of small that will get potted up later. But I put these in these pots about a couple of weeks ago, and they're doing pretty good. They are working on their second set of leaves, and I see some more coming out in the pipeline. It's a very interesting way that they have to develop their leaves, but it's been kind of fun watching them grow.